Guys, it's Caleb, and I just got done taking my AT4X off-roading. Let me go ahead and show you kind of the setup we had. We were just unloading for the evening, but we really took it out. We had a lot of fun with it. Hopefully the video footage from the dash cams I have and the GoPro does justice, because this is at night. But let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so I've got my headlamp on so we can see. But I mean, not only did we on Thursday, which is just a few days ago from now, go off-roading on some trails, but today we went through snow, and then there was also mud on the property. So I mean, it is caked in snow and ice and mud and dirt and everything. I mean, these caps are frozen. I had to take off the ice on the light so I could see better, and even on this front camera so I could see. I mean, if you just look, you can see that it's covered in ice, like a whole shell of ice. I mean, not only did we do off-roading and stuff, but we were 60, 70 miles an hour in the interstate, where this thing handles amazing. It's super, extremely stable. And this is just a 1500 with a 6.2. I mean, look at how much ice that is. And I'm gonna leave it like this driving home. The front end of the antenna is frozen. You can see all that. I mean, we still got ice on the hood and everything. There was at one point where the windshield was frosting up. Even with the defroster on, I had to turn the heat up to 80. And I mean, just, it's a disaster. But took it sideways, did a lot of fun with it. I mean, this was a great trip. I mean, it was at the property anyway, about an hour from here. But this is the Razor that we drove. Got some GoPro footage as well. You can see where we had the suction cup at. But this also got, I mean, that is all just from this trip. Got muddy on the inside and everything, and then just covered in ice as well. And it held this trailer, not a problem. I mean, doesn't weigh that much, but this beast can handle 8,700 pounds on its own, because it's got the front boron steel bumper and it's a 6.2. That is awesome. Like I said, I'm pretty proud, and the truck still has snow in the back of it, but phenomenal. We only had to fill up once. I mean, it is what it is, but I am loving this truck, taking a lot of video footage of it. So actually, let's get a thumbnail right there. Hopefully that's a good thumbnail. We'll see. I want to say thank y'all again for watching. I really do hope I can get some good footage from this trip. I mean, just a kind of small trip, but still fun to be able to test the AT4X out, put it sideways, take it through some mud, really get to take a feel for it, because we did that with a Canyon AT4X a little while back, earlier last year, or later last year. But this 1500 pickup, if you're not convinced on it yet, I gotta say you gotta be. Anyway, thank y'all again for watching. I'll see y'all soon.